Discover the latest must-have DIY tools on Amazon, designed to boost efficiency, precision, and convenience. These innovative gadgets will streamline your projects, making tasks quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. The vibration tile beater is a tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who are looking to ensure precision in tile installations. It uses advanced vibration technology to eliminate air pockets, ensuring a flawless bond between the tile and adhesive. For larger tile installation projects, the vibration tile beater is indispensable, providing long-lasting results with minimal effort. The ergonomic design reduces physical strain on the user, making it ideal for prolonged use in both residential and commercial settings. Transitioning from tiling to cable management, the Untwist Tool V2 is a game-changing gadget that tackles one of the most frustrating aspects of working with wires and cables: untangling them. The ergonomic grip enhances user comfort, allowing for extended use without fatigue. It is particularly useful in scenarios where multiple cables, such as Ethernet or power cords, are running together, helping to streamline electrical work and reduce overall project time. Next up is the wire stripper, an essential tool for anyone working with electrical systems. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, this tool allows for the quick and safe removal of insulation from wires, preventing damage to the copper core and reducing the risk of electrical shorts. Safety is a key benefit of this tool, as it reduces the likelihood of damaging the wire during stripping, which could lead to costly repairs down the road. Whether you're rewiring a home or setting up new electrical systems, this tool ensures speed, precision, and a professional finish. Moving outdoors, the electric thermal weeder offers an eco-friendly solution to traditional weed control. The electric thermal weeder provides a 95% success rate on a single application, reducing the need for repeated treatments and significantly cutting down on manual labor. Its cordless design adds convenience, allowing users to navigate large outdoor areas without worrying about cords or fuel. It's perfect for homeowners looking for an efficient, sustainable alternative to chemical weed control. Pruning and trimming trees is made easier with the Black & Decker Lopper, a cordless, battery-powered tool that offers twice the cutting power of manual pruners. The lightweight design, combined with its powerful motor, makes it ideal for users of all skill levels, ensuring that even thick or overgrown branches can be tackled with ease. In addition to pruning trees and shrubs, this tool is great for clearing undergrowth and preparing wood for composting. For indoor home improvement projects, the pole sander is a must-have, particularly when dealing with high walls or ceilings. This tool's extendable handle allows users to sand hard-to-reach areas without the need for ladders, significantly improving safety and efficiency. This tool is ideal for both professionals and DIYers looking to improve the quality and speed of their projects. When applying adhesives or sealants over large surfaces, the roller squeegee is the tool of choice. Its design ensures an even application of material, eliminating the air bubbles that can compromise the quality of the finish. It also reduces the amount of adhesive or sealant required, which can save both time and material costs. The ergonomic handle allows for comfortable use during extended periods, making it ideal for larger home improvement projects or professional construction work. For anyone dealing with fastening screws in awkward spaces, the screwdriver magnetic ring is a game changer. This simple yet effective attachment ensures that screws stay securely in place during installation, reducing the frustration of drop screws and improving fastening speed by 15%. It's particularly useful for professionals working in construction, home renovation, or carpentry, where precision and speed are paramount. On larger construction projects, the auto-feed screwdriver shines. This tool automates the process of feeding screws into place, allowing users to quickly complete tasks like decking or drywall installation. The consistent feed system ensures that each screw is placed with precision, reducing the likelihood of mistakes or uneven placements. With adjustable settings for different screw lengths and materials, the auto-feed screwdriver is versatile and adaptable to a wide range of tasks, making it a go-to tool for professional builders and contractors. Keeping a clean work environment is critical, and the Makita Air Duster is perfect for quickly clearing away dust and debris from workspaces, tools, and electronics. With its powerful airflow and compact design, This cordless air duster reduces cleanup time by 25%, ensuring that you can maintain a clean, efficient workspace without much effort. This makes it a versatile tool for any job site, workshop, or home. In colder climates, the Karcher Eye Scraper offers a faster, more efficient solution to removing eyes from car windows. This tool not only saves time during winter mornings, but also ensures safer driving by providing a clear view in a fraction of the time. It's a must-have for anyone living in areas prone to freezing conditions, offering convenience and speed when time is of the essence. Precision is key in carpentry, and the Milescraft hinge jig ensures perfect alignment of door hinges every time. This tool reduces hinge installation time by 35% and eliminates the need for repeated adjustments, delivering professional-grade results with minimal effort. Its easy-to-use design makes it suitable for both experienced carpenters and DIY home renovators, offering a fast, reliable way to install doors without the hassle of measuring and marking each hinge location. Securing heavy loads during transport is made much easier with SMARTSD or APS, which offer twice the strength of traditional tie-downs. Whether you're moving large furniture, securing equipment, or transporting materials, Smart Straps provide the durability and ease of use required to ensure your load stays secure. For those working on deck projects, the Trex One Step Tool is an all-in-one tool that simplifies the installation and spacing of deck boards. It reduces installation time by 25%, ensuring that each board is evenly spaced and properly secured. This tool helps reduce errors, ensuring a perfect finish every time and making it an invaluable resource for both DIYers and professional builders. The Micro Jig Blade Clean extends the life of saw blades by up to 50% by making it easy to clean off built-up resin and debris. Regular use of this tool improves the precision of cuts, reduces wear and tear on expensive saw blades, and minimizes the risk of accidents in the workshop. This makes it an essential tool for woodworkers looking to extend the life of their equipment. Wrapping up with digging tasks, the Fiskars Quick Drill is designed to make hole digging faster and more efficient by reducing soil resistance by up to 30%. This tool provides a more efficient alternative to traditional shovels, saving time and energy while delivering precise, clean holes for a variety of projects.